Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to come in and shoot a quick video to share an experience that I've had with the hair system. You can tell today I don't have it sprayed down or any gel in it or anything. It's pretty floppy. So this is what's been my experience. I have always used a hard bond clear adhesive that holds it on there, that's for sure. But for some reason, the past month or so, my scalp started to itch, and so much so that I was just about to claw my head off, and I thought, okay, what's going on? Well, I thought at first it was the scalp protector that I was using. And because every time I put that on, my head would get really red. And so I stopped that, and it got marginally better, but I thought, well, I've irritated my scalp, so I need to just take a break. I took the hair system off on one night, wore a cap the next day, and put it back on the next morning and let my scalp rest because it was really kind of sore. And two, I had ripped the hair system off before the solvent had a chance to really dissolve it. And so my scalp is so oily that usually, honestly, by about day 5, I'm ready for it to come off, and it'll just slip right off. But this particular occasion it didn't, so it was kind of like, ouch. So it kind of irritated the skin a little bit more. So I let it all get well and get it looking better, and did it again, set my head on fire. I thought, ouch, ouch. And so I tried to let things settle down and see if it'd be all right. Well, it wasn't. I was constantly, oh, it burned, it did all that. So I went to Ghost Bond Platinum, and that's what I've got on right now. And I can get up pretty close and you can see it looks fantastic. Really, really good. And this is day 4. This is day 4. So you can, if you get up really close, you can kind of see a little bit to where it could be cleaned up somewhat, but really, honestly, yeah, really good. Really good. And so I put the Platinum Ghost Bond on there, and it was like, felt so good. Nothing burned, nothing irritated, nothing itched. The application is easier. I just kind of, and I do something different. I don't put it on my head, I put it on the hairpiece. It's a skin system. Like I've said, HD 111 is really my favorite, but that M101 I like well too, more durable. It's the hair length's a little bit thicker. This is an HD 111 that I have on right now, and so I just squirt it on the hairpiece, and I think that's how I can do it so fast. I squirt it around the edges of the hairpiece, and then I take a separate brush and I smooth it up, and in about a minute and a half or so, it turns clear, and I put another coat on it and let that turn pretty much clear, not completely, because I find if it's completely clear, then it's too dry to really stick good. So there's kind of a sweet spot in there, and then I get in front of the mirror and I just bend over and I stick it where I know it goes in the front and just roll it up. That's it. Simple, nothing to it. The hard bond, it's like I'd use it and not have to worry about it. I could swim, I could be on my motorcycle without a helmet. I know that's a bad thing, but without a helmet, and this hair is blowing everywhere. Not a single problem at all. Now I haven't tested this that much, but from what I can tell, it really sticks, and it really sticks well. So there is just a little bit of experience talking there of going from different things. And so very successful with it and very happy with it. So to all you out there who are contemplating hair replacement, there are lots of ways to go. There are lots of ways to look at it. There are lots of ways to handle it. But this would be my advice. This is affordable. It's easy. It doesn't take a big chunk of your time. And it just simply works. It just simply works. And I promise, when you start getting positive reactions and positive remarks from literally everybody, you'll be glad you did. So anyway, have a good one. Peace out.